All right, so for my badge project, I decided to use OneNote. So right here you can see the three notebooks I created. So right here we have my first notebook, and I named it Music I'm Currently Loving. And of course, in here within that, I have five notebooks of different types of music and artists I've been listening to. And then for the second notebook, I've had my winter and TV movie queue. So I have like different types of shows and movies and all of that. For my third notebook, of course, I have what is related to my theme. So I have community helpers. This first notebook has some pictures. I have different activities, ideas within my activities, examples of community helpers for my kindergartners, and of course, state standards. And then right here, of course, I have Clipboard in an article that helped me research standards and assessments for social studies standards. So within that, I clicked on the hyperlink within Mendeley and I made my highlights and my notes. And right here, I just click the OneNote right here for clipping the article, and it can see that it clipped right here in my EDCI 270 notebook theme. So yeah, that's what it is. Those are my notebooks.